Is that your new car? Is that your new car, buddy? You checking your mirrors? Oh, you got your dog with you? You shouldn't have your dog with you in the car. It's unsafe. Yeah. Oh. You're good at going reverse, huh? Honking that horn. Honk that horn. Honk, honk. I know, there's no batteries. It's not that cool. Trying to steer and honk the horn, make the lights go. And yet, there's no batteries. As always. Yay, Gavin! Whoa! Yay! You don't want to drive? Oh, you do like driving then, huh? You think that's pretty cool? You think that's pretty cool? You think that's pretty cool?